What if the ground beneath your feet was lying to you, and the sky was the only thing telling the truth? For most of human history, the world felt flat. The horizon looked like a clean blade cutting sea from sky. Walk far enough, people thought, and you would fall into nothing. And yet, more than 2,000 years ago, a small group of thinkers dared to challenge what everyone could see with their own eyes. Picture the ancient Mediterranean at dawn. Stone cities warming under the sun, sailors tracing familiar routes, shadows stretching across marble steps. In this world, knowledge wasn't written in textbooks. It was argued in marketplaces, whispered in libraries, and tested with the simplest tools imaginable. One day, someone noticed something strange. In one city at noon, the sun dropped straight down a well, lighting the bottom perfectly. No shadow. But hundreds of miles away, at that exact same moment, a stick planted in the ground cast a clear, angled shadow. Same sun, same time, different result. That shouldn't be possible unless the ground itself was curved. This was the quiet crack in reality. Greek scholars didn't have satellites, no telescopes, no engines, just geometry, patience, and the courage to trust logic over instinct. They measured angles, they paced distances, they let shadows speak. And slowly, an impossible idea took shape. The Earth wasn't a flat stage beneath the heavens. It was a sphere, floating in space. Imagine the weight of that realization. Suddenly, the horizon wasn't an edge. It was a curve. Ships didn't vanish because they fell, they slipped gently over a rounded surface. The sky didn't rotate around humanity. Humanity was clinging to a spinning world. Midway through this discovery came an even bolder move. Using nothing but shadow lengths and distance between cities, scholars calculated the size of the entire planet. Not a guess. A number. And astonishingly, they were close, frighteningly close, to the true circumference of Earth. This wasn't just science. It was a shift in identity. Humans were no longer standing on a flat island of certainty. They were travelers on a vast sphere, suspended in darkness, governed by laws that could be understood if you dared to question appearances. The moment the Earth became round, the universe became bigger. Exploration became inevitable. Curiosity became dangerous, in the best possible way. And it all began with a shadow that didn't behave as it should. If this story made you see the world a little differently, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with your thoughts. Your support helps this channel keep exploring the moments that changed how humanity understands reality.